Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use split screen. Okay, so to enable this mode we need to have at least two apps opened in the recent apps. So for example, let me open up the notes as the first one, and the second app can be, for example, the browser, the Chrome in my case. And now open up the recent apps by clicking on this icon, and if you are using the gesture, you need to perform that kind of move. So that's how you get access into the recent apps. And now hold on one of the icons, and now place it on the upper side of the screen or on the lower side of the screen. So let's say I'll drop the notes right in here. Now we need to select another app, and now as you can see, both of the apps are in the split screen mode. So above we have the notes. I can create a note. Okay. And below I can still surf the internet and search for things. Of course, you can also adjust the size of those windows by holding this thin bar in the middle, and now you can adjust the size of both windows. Also, if you want to change the side of those apps, simply click on those three dots in the middle and click on this icon, and as you can see, they switched sides. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.